Australians over the years have been known to play hard, aggressive brand of cricket. And while doing so, they have found themselves in a hole in many instances, sometimes even instigating others. The Monkey Gate scandal in 2008 was one of those controversies which was instigated by the umpires as much as the players on the field. As a part of touring Australia every 4 years, the Indian cricket team in 2007-2008 season was scheduled to play 4 test matches, a T20 international and a tri-series in the 2.5-month long tour. The series kick-started with the first test match at MCG, where the Indian team was tamed by a huge margin of 337 runs. Coming into the second test, the Indian team had a point to prove, whereas the Australian cricket team were confident of another victory in Sydney. The New Year's Test, as it was called, was played with a lot of competitiveness, but with questionable spirit. Umpires Steve Buckner and Mark Benson were horrible throughout the test, failing to give the right decision almost every single session. Aussie captain and premier batsman Ricky Ponting and Andrew Symonds got a number of lives in the first innings. Andrew Symonds even went on to score an unbeaten 162, and the Indians were clearly not happy with the umpiring decisions. And the men from down under went to get 463 runs, which clearly shouldn't have been more than 250 to 300. India batted out of their skin in their first innings. VVS Lakshman and Sachin Tendulkar scored hundreds and got the team to 532, securing a first innings lead of 69 runs. However, on day 3, Harbhajan Singh and Andrew Symonds got involved in an argument that later evolved into the Monkey Gate scandal. Harbhajan Singh had just reached a half century and Brett Lee bowled a bouncer to him. Luckily, the ball flew to the boundary of the top edge. Harbhajan, on his way to the other end, had a casual chat with Lee, but Andrew Symonds was irritated by then. He came in to have few words with Bhaji as Lee walked off and only Tendulkar and Harbhajan stood in the middle of the pitch. The conversation lasted not more than a few seconds, but then umpire Benson came in and started having a hard conversation with the batsman. The Australian fielders too came in and a controversy sparked up. Right after the test match ended, the match referee Mike Proctor held Harbhajan Singh accountable for racism for calling Symonds a monkey. According to the ICC Code of Conduct, Proctor banned Harbhajan for 3 test matches. This obviously did not go well with the Indian cricket team. Bhaji was surprised to hear what the Australians had made of the banter and was extremely disappointed with the incident. They initially threatened to call off the tour, but later settled for an official hearing to cancel the ban. Indian captain Anil Kumble, who was already furious with the poor level of umpiring in the game, said that they were the only team who had been playing the match in the spirit of the game. Anil had listened to Tendulkar and Bhaji's side of the conversation and backed the spinner in the case against him. Australian captain Ricky Ponting along with Matthew Hayden and Michael Clarke were called for the hearing, while only Sachin Tendulkar was called from the Indian side, along with the concerned duo. Harbhajan was not happy with the fact that the Australian players who were too far to hear the conversation were brought in to defend Symonds. However, the ban was uplifted and the teams agreed to play the third test match with different umpires. Years later, Andrew Symonds revealed that the Monkey Gate had left a scar on his heart and he took alcohol abuse during that time. He felt ashamed to involve his teammates in the incident, which shouldn't have happened. 3 years later, Harbhajan Singh and Andrew Symonds played for the same team in the IPL, the Mumbai Indians. The spectacle of Indian Premier League seemed to have served a purpose outside the cricket field, along with its on-field miracles over the years. Check our other whiteboard-style cricket videos backed by deep research. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Thank you.